Welcome to Comet Backup. Watch this quick video to learn more about the Comet-Hosted Server. The Comet Server is your main interface for easy management of all your users, devices, and backups, and it can be accessed through a web portal. There are a lot of cool features Comet offers that are configured on the Comet Server. Check out our knowledge base to learn more about these features. You should use a Comet-hosted server if you would like a quick and easy start to Comet Backup without any additional installation required, or if you would prefer to use a low-maintenance Comet server which automatically gets upgraded, or if you would prefer not to host a Comet server, we can host it for you in our own private AWS account. And if you would like a Comet storage bucket to be automatically configured on your Comet server. When you sign up with Comet, you will first need to set up a Comet server. There are several bucket regions that your Comet server can be hosted in. It is up to you to choose any available region. Spin up a Comet-hosted server in one easy click. No additional installation steps required. Have a quick overview of your backup health, get easy access to all of your users, and view the status of your devices all in one web interface. Sign up with Comet now for a free 30-day trial and reach out to us at hello@cometbackup.com for questions.